Hello amigos, what's going on? In this video I'm gonna show you how to bring your IGTV game to the next level. The last couple of days I've been on the Spanish island Mallorca and filmed so many content vertical because I got more and more clients that ask for vertical formats for their Instagram stories, IGTV or other vertical formats that are played on the smartphone. So I was thinking about how to get the best amount of quality to create those. Of course I didn't want to use my smartphone but my professional camera gear. Then I found out it's actually very simple, but otherwise it's not. If you want to get the full resolution out of your camera, you have to flip the camera vertical. There's technically no other way to get the full resolution for your vertical videos. The only problem I had, how to mount the camera on a gimbal. So that's how I did it. I got a cage for my camera like this one from Small Rig with a lot of different mounting points. And this gave me the opportunity to fix the camera vertical on the gimbal. And just to make it even more easy, I also installed a quick release plate. It's very simple, right? Before we go to the next step, we have to create some content, so let's go! Okay, I'm back home and ready to start editing the footage, but before I have a few more tips on how to improve your vertical gimbal setup that I just realized when I was filming. For this shooting I used the ZHIYUN-TECH Plus, but to be honest this gimbal isn't made to install the camera vertical, so it's quite difficult to balance it correctly, but it works. Just make sure that you use a small lens and put the heavy side of the camera to the bottom of the gimbal. This makes the balancing process so much easier. Also, if you have the opportunity to use a stronger gimbal, like for example the ZHIYUN-TECH 2, it should work slightly better. And of course you're also able to use heavier camera setups. Just figure out what kind of setup works best to balance your gimbal. I hope this will help you and we can jump right into Premiere to edit our footage. Open Premiere as always and create a standard 1080p sequence with 24 frames. Then go to Sequence and choose Sequence Settings. For editing mode you scroll all the way up and choose Custom. This unlocks the frame size fields which you only have to turn around. So instead of 1920 by 1080, we make it 1080 by 1920. Next, drop your footage to the timeline, go to the effect controls and rotate the footage by 90 or 270 degrees depending on the rotation of your camera when filming. Now you have a vertical sequence and you are able to edit as always. If you finish the edit and you're ready to export the final clip, just match the source settings and you're done. Time to upload on your IGTV channel. If you like this video, please press subscribe, give me a thumbs up and I see you next time. Bye!